This video will be editing the colors in your theme settings. Navigate to the theme editor within your Shopify store. From there, go to the left-hand side, select the gear icon, select colors. Here you have schemes. Color schemes are applied to sections throughout your online store. So as you have your preview window here, you can look down and see that different color schemes for the typography and for the background have been applied as you go through different sections of your store. This is to create a visually appealing layout for any viewers that come onto your website. As you go through the different sections of your store, you can identify the different color schemes that you would like to use based on the brand guidelines for your business. And then you can come into theme settings to make the edits at a very macro level, or you can select the section itself and make edits to the color scheme from within that section. To edit a scheme, select the scheme. Here you're presented the different colors that make up the scheme. This will affect all sections that use whatever scheme you have selected. The background color, you can select it. This will present a variety of ways that you can edit the color to achieve your desired selection for whatever this use is for the color itself. You can move these sliders by clicking and dragging, and then moving into the type of color that you would like. And you can see in your preview bar that as you make your changes, the preview window updates automatically in real time. So you can find just exactly what you would like and then make your selection. If you have previously established brand guidelines, you can enter in your 6-digit hex code here. Or if you've used the colors previously, then you can make your selections from currently used and recently used. For this scheme 1, we'll select white and go back out to the other elements that make up the color scheme. If you utilize background gradients, you can make your selection here. If you don't have any gradient color selected, there will be a slash within the preview circle. Within text, you have a hex code that is presented as a type of black. For viewing on a website, typically you will not select all the way to the pure black hex code, as it creates a level of intensity that can be abrasive to eyes when viewing. So a standard value for black on a website has been loaded by default at 121212. And you can see within the preview window that the intensity of that black color is not as vibrant. This only changes the color of your text. It does not change the typography of your text. That's covered in a different section. For the solid button background, this color would change the color of this button, and the button label the text within that button. For an outline button, you can see in a different section that utilizes this, if this color scheme was enabled in this section and an outline button was selected as the desired type of button to display, the outline button would show the border, and the shadow would be what would create a lift visually off of any buttons that were displayed within the section. Once you're done making your changes to your color scheme, you can continue back into the remaining color schemes and make similar edits. And you want to make primary, secondary, tertiary, and other alternate color schemes that are in line with your brand guidelines. And then if you'd like to make an additional custom scheme, you can select Add Scheme, and you can continue to make additional schemes as required. Once you've made your edits, be sure to go to the top right-hand corner and save. If you found this video helpful, click subscribe down below and follow us for more on setting up and running a business online.